Okay, welcome back AEP 800. This is Jason Lin, and this is video number 2 for Module 14, 5 new technologies. And the technology I'm going to share with you guys this time is Classkick at classkick.com. Classkick is one of my favorite workflow applications, especially for the little guys. I'm talking like K3 students who have a little bit of trouble navigating within the Google Classroom and using the editing tools that are provided in Google Classroom. Sometimes they're not real easy for those kids, but Classkick, especially if you're using iPads, those little kids can use their fingers to do some writing and circling within this app. It's going to look really, really good for those kids. Let's go ahead and go inside and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Logging in as a teacher. Got my password saved, so let's just go ahead and get inside. This is the landing page. These are all of the assignments that I've assigned this year. You can say I use it a lot, mostly for assigning language worksheets and other types of worksheets in order to affect a more paperless classroom environment. Here are the different rosters that I have, and you can throw away rosters like it's not Groundhog Day anymore. I don't need this one anymore. See you later, Groundhog Day. If you click on a roster to show you all the students that you have, like here's Abigail. She doesn't go to school anymore, so we'll get her out of there. And I can go ahead and go back to the landing page now. It saves your roster automatically. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to go back to assignments and show you how to make an assignment using Classkick. It can be done in a number of ways, and also if you're using iPads, you can use the camera on your iPad to just take a picture of the worksheets and assign them directly as a photo file instead of a PDF file. It's a really easy system to use. Okay, but right now I'm on my Mac, so I can't do that. I'm going to go ahead and press Create an Assignment right here. And I'm going to just create from file. If you press Create a new blank assignment, basically you're just making your own worksheet by typing over an empty canvas. So create from file, choose an image or a PDF file to import. You could drag it and drop it. I find that sometimes that doesn't work very well though. So I'm just going to go through here, select a file. On my desktop I have some worksheets here. Like here's Unit 4 Language Review. Open. Okay, it's 2 pages long. There. Okay, I'm going to select all. I want both pages. Select all. Okay, or even down here, import all pages. So there's both the pages. I can even add another if I want. Press finish. So there's the 2 pages that I've imported. I can call this up at the top. It wants me to name it. I can just name it Language Review Unit 4. Description here, I usually write my students instructions. Like if I'm giving them like 10 pages at once, I might tell them something like do 1 page per day. Okay. Here you can assign a roster. This is my current roster right here. Click it. And what's really cool, like I was talking about, is Classkick talks directly to Google Classroom. Right here would be my class code that I could display on the whiteboard for my students to log in to this Classkick directly from classkick.com or from the app. However, if I want to put this into my Google Classroom for my students to work on independently during intervention time or something like that, I can link it directly to my Google Classroom right here. If I press this, make sure that I'm not trying to assign it to FHSU. Right there, here we go. This is the guy I want. Sign in. So choose your class. There's Mr. Lin's class. Choose my action. Create an assignment. Go. Same title I gave it in Classkick is already there. Same instructions I gave it in Classkick is already there. Okay. You do notice down here where you're supposed to press assign, it won't let you do it. Sometimes you got to click around a little bit, or maybe even mess with the points or assign a due date to get that to wake up right there. See, I didn't have to pick a date. I just had to click around a little bit to get it to work. Right there, assigning. It's posted to my class. I can view it. There it is right there. 0 out of 22 people have done it. What's great about it is when the students click on it, it already has the code for the assignment, and all they have to do is put their name. So like if I was Maria, I could log in. Maria is not in my class, however. Well, not that Maria anyway. So what's cool is now that I've made the assignment, we go back here. As the students are working on the assignments, I can actually click on the roster that is working on it, and I can see every student's work and what they've done. And if I click in to a specific student, I can see the work that they're doing. I can type them notes. And if they were on live right now, they could see exactly what I was typing them. Students needing help could raise their hand right here. So this help is needed. Okay, and they can choose please help or please check my work. So Valeria needed help on number 6. I'm going to go on here and look at what she was doing. And it looks like she figured it out. Let's tell her she did a good job as well. Okay, and that is Classkick in a nutshell. It's really easy to use. Has a ton of free storage and a ton of free tools for your students to use as well. Thank you very much.